Hello my dear students, welcome to the chemistry class, and today we will going to discuss about a short trick how you can remember the scientific notation. So what do you mean by this scientific notation? I think for the class 11 you have already started, means your lectures have already started the first chapter, that is some basic concept of chemistry, where in that one you will going to get a concept like a scientific notation. What do you mean by this? See, whenever we say the science subjects, whether it like a physics or it is like a chemistry, we will deal with the numbers. We're going to solve them like many numericals in that one. So whenever we will going to solve, see, as I told, when we are dealing with the numbers, there may be a too large number, there might be a too what we can say the smallest number. So here I have given a two examples. The first two example you could see here, dear students, what I have written here is 0.0000, like n number of like zeros I have written here, and followed by 1 2 3. Okay, similarly you could see the second example. What I have written here is 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 and followed by the zeros, then 0.578. So dear students, what happens here, one you could see is the smallest number, one you could see is the largest number. Like it is every time if you go on writing the numbers like this, okay, during while solving the numericals or anything, it is very like a time consuming one. At the same time you will going to waste the paper. That is a main thing, that like save papers, what we're going to say. So what we can say is we can write these values in a simple form. What do you mean by that simple form? It is the scientific notation form. So scientific notation form is a method of representing either the large number or the small number in the form of n into 10 to the power of n, dear students. So here I have written n into 10 to the power of n form. N is nothing but the digit, okay, whatever they have given. 10 to the power of n is the 10 exponential, that is the n is the power that is been raised. So how you will going to write n into 10 power of n? Simple. So one short trick that you have to remember here, dear students, I'll just going to write that forward means negative, okay, forward means negative, backward means positive. This is the short trick you had to remember, dear students. Backward means positive. Do remember these two. Ma'am, what do you mean by forward, what do you mean by backward? You will get to know shortly. So you have to remember forward negative, backward positive. Now we will going to deal with the example. See what I have written here. The first one, let us go. Here I have written this number, which is a very smallest number, 0.00. It is like a smallest. Now I want to write this number in the form of n into 10 to the power of n form. So what the rule that I'll going to follow is, I'll going to shift what? I'll going to shift the decimal point that I have written here. Okay, so whether forward or backward, obviously you need to move it forward, because I want the answer to be written in the n into 10 power of n. That is the simplest form. So what I'm going to do here, dear students, I'm going to show you people clearly. See here, I'm taking this one, okay. So the 1 2, this decimal point I have taken, I'm shifting from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. You can stop it to here 16, or let us go with the 17. Means I have shifted this decimal point 17 numbers, 17 digit forward. Okay, so where the decimal point here, now from here to it has moved here. That means I'll going to write 1.23. okay, into how many digits I have like decimal point have been moved forward? 17. So as I told, forward means what? Negative, means right, like this 10 to the power of, since it is moving forward, the power raised will be negative, that is minus 17. Okay, so there is another chance. So I don't want to stop this decimal point here. I want to move forward a little bit, means again from 17 18, 19. Okay, from here to here I have moved the decimal point to this one. So, or else I can write in this way, 123 into 10 to the power of minus 19, dear students. Okay, so just think whether writing this one is easy form or writing this one is easy form. Both are one and the same. Both are giving the same what the meaning over here. Okay, so this is what the scientific notation form. Okay, this is also correct one, this is also correct one. So moving forward means negative power, moving backward means positive power. What you will going to move? The decimal point you will going to move. So similarly, let us go with a one more example. So here I have written the second example where exactly the decimal point here, dear students, it is here. So what you will going to do? Will you going to move it forward? If you move it forward, again it will become a large number. What I want to do here, I want to keep it in the simplest form, like n into 10 power of n form. So what I'll going to do, I'll going to shift the point backward. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 1.23, okay, 56 into 10 to the power of, since I'm shifting the the decimal point backward means, as I told, it's a positive. So exponential will happens what? How many numbers I have moved, dear students? I'm showing it again. Decimal point is moving from here to here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 10 to the power of 15. Okay, so this is how you need to write the numbers in the simplest scientific notation form. So it depends on you where you will going to stop the decimal point. Where you will going to stop, that much, like how many numbers it has crossed, that much power should be written over here. Okay, similarly let us go with some more, and you have to remember the trick again. Forward means negative, backward means positive. Okay, so now what I can do here, I'm going to shift the point backward. Obviously I want to write in a simplest form. So how much number? I can stop here, no problem. 1 2 3. So 5.678 into 10 to the power of, okay, 891 also you can write here, 91 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3, 10 to the power of plus 3, dear students, because I am moving the decimal point backward. Similarly, come here for the fourth one. So 1 2 3, from here 1 2 3 4. I can stop it here only, or I can just move a little bit forward, but I am stopping here. So I can write it as a 9.18 into, so 1 2 3 4, 10 to the power of minus 4, because I am shifting the point forward. Now this is another case, a different case. See, already we have a 10 exponential here, okay, 10 to the power of 2, no problem. Now I want to write this one in a simple form, that is scientific notation form. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to shift this decimal point 1 2. Let us shift a little more, 3 4. Okay, so what happens? 1 2 3 into 10 to the power of, here point is not there, dear students. Okay, don't get confused. Here what I did, from here to here, 1 2 3 4. So it is like 123 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, sorry, minus 4, since I'm moving it forward. And already what I have here, I have 10 to the power of 2, dear students. Okay, so I can simplify that I have learnt in the maths. When the bases are same, powers can be added. So 123 you can write it as it is, and 10 to the power of minus 4 plus 2. So it will become what, dear students? 123 into 10 to the power of minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Okay. See, a simple concept is that where you will going to put the decimal point, how much you have moved, that much power you should rise. That's it. Okay, and similarly here you can go through 8 9 6 7 5 9. You can ask, ma'am, where is the decimal point, how you can shift? See, we have learned that at the last, whether they will going to give it or not, the decimal point will be here. Okay, so I'm going to shift it what, forward or backward? So definitely we're going to shift it backward. 1 2 3 5 dear students. Okay, so 8.967, okay, 96759 into 10 to the power of how many? 1 2 3 4 5, 10 to the power of plus 5 dear students. Okay, now similar type of a problem here is that shift the point to the backward. 1 2 3 4, that is 8.57831 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4. 10 to the power of 4 we have, and already we have 10 to the power of minus 3. So when we simplify, what are we going to get, dear students? 8.57831 into 10 to the power of, when bases are same, powers can be added, so 4 minus 3, 1 we will going to get. Okay, and here the another simple one, that is we will going to shift forward, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can stop it here, or you can just move it one more, that is 7. So from here to here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 7, dear students. Okay, and the last one that we have like what, 1000. It has got one value, like what is this? 10 lakh what they have given. So if the point is not given, what you will going to understand? Point will be at the last. So what are you going to do here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 you can do, or else 1 2 3 4 5. I'll going to stop here. 10 to the power of 5, dear students. Okay, it is 10 to the power of 5, means in front of 10 we have a 5 zeros. It is understood. I hope, dear students, this is how you can write the scientific notation, that is representing the large or the small number in an easy way. So the shortcut you have to remember is, if you move the decimal point forward, power will be negative. If you move it to the backward, power will be positive. Okay, I hope you have understood. I hope this video have helped you. Thank you so much.